Ukraine's new drone bomber flies 1,200 miles with a 550-pound bomb, and returns to base. It's potentially the most powerful reusable drone in the Russia-Ukraine war. A Ukrainian A-22 drone strikes a target in Grozny in December. A Ukrainian A-22 drone strikes a target in Grozny in December, via Special Kherson Cat. Ukraine's latest unmanned aerial vehicle can fly 1,200 miles, drop a 550-pound bomb and return to base, making it potentially the most powerful reusable drone in the Russia-Ukraine war. Please subscribe and follow. The Ukrainian military's Unmanned Systems branch confirmed the rumored development on Friday. We see that the actions of the Unmanned Systems forces are attracting attention from both domestic and international media, the branch stated. The branch command confirms the use of a long-range UAV, capable of carrying a 250-kilogram air bomb and reaching up to 2,000 kilometers with the possibility of return. This is a unique development that changes the rules of the game on the battlefield. It's unclear what airframe the Unmanned Systems Forces uses as basis for the far-flying, multi-use drone, but the scant photographic evidence points to a modified civilian sport plane. Ukrainian drone regiments have long operated propeller-driven Aeropract A-22 sport planes fitted with remote controls and an underbelly bomb rack. But the A-22s have only ever been caught on video conducting one-way missions, slamming into their targets like slow cruise missiles. The new Ukrainian drone can drop its bomb and then fly back to base, meaning it can fly a few or many missions until it wears out, crashes or gets shot down. In making its longest-range drones reusable, the drone branch could multiply the number and pace of deep strikes it conducts against targets inside Russia, which have lately included bomber bases and oil facilities. The strikes have raised the cost of Russian bomber sorties targeting Ukrainian cities, and depressed oil production in a country that utterly relies on energy exports for state revenue. In the 3 years since Russia widened its war on Ukraine, Kyiv's engineers have developed a startling array of increasingly far-flying drones. Recent strikes on Russian targets more than 1,000 miles from the front line may have hinted at the emergence of the reusable bomber drone that the Unmanned Systems Forces announced on Friday. Controlling a drone in mid-air, usually through a combination of preset GPS-based navigation and direct human control via satellite radio, is fairly straightforward. Landing a drone is hard, however. Smaller models can cut their engines, pop a parachute and float down to the ground. Bigger models must be eased onto a runway. The world's leading drone militaries have developed sophisticated automatic landing systems. It's not clear the Ukrainians are investing the time and money to install these boutique systems in their own relatively inexpensive strike drones, which might cost just a few $100,000 apiece. The alternative, long ago mastered by the U.S. Air Force's Predator and Reaper drone crews, is for a human pilot to take control of an incoming drone in the last few minutes before it reaches its base, and, peering through the drone's forward-facing camera, guide the machine to a landing. Just like playing a flight simulator,